In this lesson, we're going to look at the string method Isalnum. And what this one does is it will return true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Here's a quick example of that. So if you have x equals I am a string, all one jumble of characters there. And we say y equals x dot Isalnum. Don't forget the brackets. You will print, once you print y, you'll see that you do get true because all those characters are alphanumeric. Now, if you want to throw a monkey wrench in there and make it say false, what you can do is you can go back to your string and just go ahead and add spaces. Now, spaces are not alphanumeric, so let's run it again. This time we get false, as expected.